Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. So in today's video, we are going to learn how you can install new language on your device, specifically for Windows, and how you can push your Leo app that you will create using Leo programming language to GitHub. So let's get started. See, if you are a Mac or Linux user, then you can directly follow the GitHub guide from official LeoHQ page to how to install the Leo. It's quite direct. But for Windows, many people are facing the problem, and our community members have compiled it and created the developer toolkit. So that you will be following this for how you can install the Leo in the Windows, and also how we will push your Leo app to GitHub using in Bash. So let's get started. Firstly, I will give you this link in the description. You can follow the guide from here. Install the Git Bash. So click the link here and we will be onto the Git Bash page. Go to the Windows section. Install the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Here you will see it downloading. And reopen the file. Okay, now we need to click on next. Yes, you just need to click on next and git next, and it will start installing. And here you can see it's installing. Next, for most important for Windows is that you need to install the Visual Studio with C and desktop C and C++ dependencies in the Microsoft Windows. So we will go there. Here you can download. When you click on the download, it will download the Visual Studio, this Visual Studio setup. I have already installed it. You just install it, this setup, with the video installer here. So when you open it, you'll see you have not installed anything. So we will install. So here you need to select the Visual Studio community to and see our Git has installed properly. Let's finish from it here. Okay, so we need to install it. Just go to the community one. Okay, so next what you need to do is click on this desktop development with C++, and you need to install these dependencies here, and just click on install, and it will take some time while installing. Okay, so while this is installing, we are going to install the Rust in our Git. So firstly, we are going to open the Git from here. Is how it will open first time. You need to paste this command. It will directly install the Rust. Just copy the command and paste it here. It will directly install the Rust on your system. Enter Y. A. There's Y, please. Okay, just enter Y. proceed with 1, proceed with the installation default. So this is installing. We just need to open it just for a runtime. After this, it's installed. So as you can see, there's our Rust is installing. See, in Mac OS and Linux, you do not need to install the C and C++ dependencies, Visual Studio. But for Windows, you need this for installing Neo. So it is a must. Here's one more thing. While we proceed with Neo, you need to have a IDE, and one of the official IDE for Neo is Visual Studio Code. You can directly get the Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Store. See, Visual Studio Code is different from this Visual Studio. Do not confuse between them. This is an IDE, and for Neo, we will be using this in the further videos. It is basically to modify the codes. This is the IDE for Neo. You can just install it too. We'll be using this in further videos too. So let's see how's the Rust going on. So as you can see, our Rust is installed. Just we need to restart the Git, so it just get configured into the directory. So we start it. Oh, okay, restart it. Okay, close any. We restart it and open the Git for once more. So we are in the Git, and the Visual Studio is still installing. So as you can see, the Visual Studio has been installed, and it will take about 10 to 15 minutes for installation on your device. So now we can go to the installation process. Now you have installed the Rust and reopen the Git. Next, we are going to clone the GitHub for Neo here. So just you need to copy this command and paste on your Git. Paste up here and enter. So it will clone the repo here. Next, we will get into the Neo. Okay, now we go to the Neo directory. Just go to cd Neo and copy this cargo installer path, and we go to Git and paste cargo installer path slash full stop and enter, and here our process will start. If you have installed the Visual Studio then and Rust properly, then it will install without any problems. Let's see. So as you can see, my Neo has been installed properly. If you follow the process from start to end, then your Neo will be installed on your Windows machine quite properly. And congratulations, Neo has been installed. It will check Neo from here, just type Neo, and you can see. So now Neo is installed on your PC. There is one more way so you can check that it is properly installed. Just go to your terminal and write Leo. And as you can see, we have installed the Leo properly. Next up, see the basic commands for working with Leo. Here, like we can create Leo. Come here. It creates new account. Oh, sorry. Yes, got it. Okay, sorry. Just paste new account name. It will create the new account for you. You can see this is the private key and this is view key and this is the address. As you know, the transactions are also private in Leo, so this is a view key for viewing it. Add up next, let's say you can also import your front wallet by Leo content port with your private key. We can try an example here. For example, we will try tic-tac-toe. Just paste tic-tac-toe with new example tic-tac-toe. It will get the tic-tac-toe file into your new here. It will create a new file and you can run. So you can also run here. Okay, it's saying some error. You need to write. Sorry. Just a second. Okay, sorry. We had to go into the directories. Sorry. See. Like, don't. We are now. We will run it. See if it's working properly. See, as you can see, it's working quite properly. And if you have installed the Visual Studio Code, just go to your Visual Studio Code. We will be using Visual Studio Code for our next videos. You need to install. Just go here and you need to install the Leo here. Just install the Leo and we can set the color theme. Here I have set the new theme here. You can open the folder here. Let's see where is my tic-tac-toe folder. Here we go to Leo and here's our tic-tac-toe folder. We select it and as you can see, we are in the tic-tac-toe. Here is the main program for it and the basic programs are here. So we will learn more about Leo in our next videos. So you need to have this IDE installed or installing it. And you go there, as you can see, it's working quite properly. Next up, this is our second part of the video. So how you're going to push your app into the GitHub. So we are in the tic-tac-toe directory. And we will follow the process from here on. So we are in the tic-tac-toe directory, then we paste this command git np main. We paste this command. See, this will be applicable for all the apps or the apps you create or all the smart contract you create on you. You can basically push it to your GitHub. Schweizinin.git. Let's stop, paste this. You can add here. Okay. Next up, you need to paste this git config global user email.mail@com. So what you need here is that instead of mail, you need to write your email basically I will write here my email on the GitHub in the pad. Use both gmail.com. Okay, so I'm done here. Next up, what we need to do is you can just here git commit my first commit here. Steam got a first commit. Next up, we need to do is now you need to go into your GitHub and you need to create a new repository. So we will go to our GitHub and we will create a new repository. New repository here. We will name it, let's say detector. We named it detector and public. Okay. Okay. I will just create the GitHub. Yeah. Next, what we need to is copy this. When you do this, you will get this, and you need to copy this link in your repository here. You can see we need to copy this link. Now, we need to paste this on our Git, the Git branch and main. We are in the tic-tac-toe directory. We pasted. Next up, we need to paste this remoted origin. Very. Now you need to paste your repository link here, just for the reminder. Just paste your repository link here and enter. Paste this. Let's paste this. So now you will get this push up. So you can sign in with your browser here. So it will get you this authorize Git ecosystem here. I just need to type in my password, right? You type in your password here and it will be detected there. So as you can see, we have successfully pushed our app into the GitHub. Now, how we will claim your badge? You go to the Leo here. You go to the official repository of the Leo. Pull up you create a new issue of, let's say we create a documentation. New contributor badge, claiming the new contributor badge. Just do it with here. Let's get started with. Okay, we go to the in new contributor. Just select the new contributor badge. Title here, add your GitHub name, contributors. Select this and this. Just type in your name here What's your name? Well, my name is Taylor Lindy. We know about the training, to contributors. Next, to what do contemporaries tutorial repo. Here is your tutorial repo. So my tutorial repo is here. So I'm just going to paste this here. In was well, yeah, it will directly take that with the my tutorial repo. Next up, GitHub username by way is saying in your thumbnail. Just like that, and you fill it like that. Request badge, you need to just write here tutorial or real badge, and this is a tutorial badge for here. Basically, you have deployed a detector and submit this issue. And when you submit this issue, you will be given the your contributor badge. Oh, you need to flash it in your wait. Okay, so that's it, guys. Basically, that's how you do it. So here your thanks for being with me. So this is how you install Leo on your Windows device, and you can follow the second part while you are in your Mac OS or Linux. Thanks.